Alright, my 2019 Honda Pilot is flashing a keyless remote battery low message. I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, so here's the key fob for my 2019 Honda Pilot. Here's how you replace the battery. On the back, there's a little switch right here that you push to the side with your finger or your thumb, and when you push that, it lets this top come apart. When you pull it out, you see it's a key. This is an emergency key that you can use to open the door of your car. Now, inside, this needs to be pried apart. There's a little gap here, and if you put a coin in that gap and twist, it'll open. You could also use the key and put in there and twist. I'm going to use a coin though. Put it in, twist, and it just came apart. Now when it comes apart, you look inside and you look to see what the number is. The number is CR2032. I'll hold it like that, hopefully you can see. There you go. And I have some batteries that are CR2032. So you just take out the battery and put in a new one. Out comes the old battery. You put the new battery in facing the same direction. Then you reassemble, put it together, and squeeze. Put in the key. And now I'll go out and start the car, and it should not have the message. So now I start the car and the message is no longer showing, so the key fob battery has been replaced. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.